Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix card not added on Apple Pay. Contact your card issue for more information. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. 2. Verify your Apple login. Open Settings, General, then Languages and Region. Confirm your region is supported by Apple Pay. If not, change it to a supported one like the United States. 3. Manage existing cards. Remove unused cards. First option in the Wallet app, select the card, then tap the three-dot menu and choose Remove. The second option is to go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, select the card, then tap Remove this card. 4. Restart your device. Just press and hold the power button until the slide to power off because restarting your device may fix Apple Pay issues. If the problem persists, you can try updating your iPhone software or contacting your bank or Apple support for further assistance. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.